Hey there, welcome back. The month of October saw us taking on new challenges and making our bot building platform better than ever. We have come up with some exciting features such as inline code, custom entities, and a generic card template. Inline code and custom entities sound pretty exciting, isn't it? Now let's see what they can do. Don't worry if you don't have servers to host your custom functions and calls in the form of webhooks. You can now use inline code where you can write the code within the Kompose bot builder, which gets executed when the corresponding message is triggered. Let's start by creating inline code. Firstly, delete any static message from the bot says like in the below screenshot. Enable the dynamic message and select inline code, and from the below drop-down click on the Create an Inline Code button. A modal will be opened. You can name your code and then enter the script for it. Please don't change the function name or arguments. Click on Deploy to make the inline code live for use, and you can select the inline code and click on Train Bot to train the bot as well. Now moving on, let's look at custom entities. Custom entities help us to identify and extract the useful data from the inputs given by the end user. Click on the Extract Entities, go to Create Custom Entity and fill the entity details as shown here. Provide the entity name, variable name, and the values. After creating the entity, select the created entity from the Extract Entities drop-down. After selecting the entity, you can extract it using variable name as here. You have successfully created the entity and extracted it from the user input. Now you will have to add the training phrases in the user says section of the same intent as shown below. Entity extraction is enabled now. Check out the following test page. Well, that's it for this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.